In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text on your Shopify checkout page. Customizing the wording on your checkout is a simple but powerful way to match your brand voice and make the process clearer for your customers. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in your Shopify admin and how to safely update those labels without touching any code. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From that menu, click on Online Store. This is where all of your storefront settings and themes live. At the top of the Online Store page, you'll see your current theme highlighted. On the right side of that theme block, there's an icon with 3 horizontal dots. Go ahead and click that icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Edit Default Theme Content. This will open the Theme Content Editor, which is where you can change the text used across your store. Inside the Theme Content Editor, you'll notice a search bar and several filters near the top of the page. These let you narrow down which part of your store you want to edit. Look all the way to the right for an option called More Views. Click on More Views, and in the drop-down, choose Checkout and System. This tells Shopify that you specifically want to work with the text shown on your checkout pages, rather than on the homepage or product pages. Once you've selected Checkout and System, scroll until you find a section labeled Checkout General. This section controls many of the standard labels and titles that your customers see during the checkout process. For each text item, you'll see the current label and just below it, a field where you can type your own wording. For example, if there's a label that says Skip to Content, you might want to simplify it to just Skip. Or if your payment button currently says Pay Now, you could change it to Pay or any other clear call to action that fits your brand. Take your time scrolling through this list and update only the text you actually want to change. Make sure your new wording stays clear and easy to understand so customers know exactly what to do. When you're satisfied with your edits, look toward the top of the page near the search bar and click Save. Shopify will apply your new text to the checkout page, and you can preview your checkout to confirm everything looks and reads the way you want.